I'm Sania Mirza, and you're watching me on Asian Paints, where the heart is. Welcome to my home. With my travel schedule of 30 weeks a year, taking clothes out of a cupboard seemed like a luxury. I would always want to stay at home and not do anything else because I just wanted to be in my pajamas and like stay in my bed, on my couch, find that comfort zone. Food was a very integral part and continues to be a very integral part of our lives. Our house was famous for no matter how many people came home at any given point of time without even informing us, there would be food. So the red chicken was something that is the most famous food in our house, the biryani of course. I think because it brought the family together. And even now, when we're all in the same city, we try to eat at least once a day or once in 2 days together. It's great to be recognized and acknowledged. So whatever it took for me to have that peace of mind, I was ready to do. I come here and I feel really at home because I feel like it's my space. I've done this space and it's all heart.